Hello everyone, a very warm welcome on my channel. Today I'm gonna share very authentic South Indian recipe with you all. Rasam, which means juice in Tamil and Telugu. It's simple, easy, quick, with extremely rich nutritional value. Let's have a quick look how to make it. We need 1 chopped onion, few cloves of garlic, boiled water, jaggery full of iron, tamarind juice which is packed with rich dietary fiber, tur dal, salt to taste, a Knorr tomato soup, or we can also use fresh soup of tomatoes, rasam powder, rai and hing. I have taken out tamarind juice and blended tur dal in a mixer. Now we'll make soup from Knorr soup powder. Add this to the boiling water and make a soup. Instead of this, we can make a fresh, we can take 4 to 5 tomatoes and make a fresh soup out of tomatoes. Now we will heat some oil in a pan. We add rai, hing, garlic and onion to it. Saute onion until it becomes soft. Now add tomato soup, tamarind juice and blended tur dal to it and mix it well. Add salt as per taste. Add jaggery. Now add 2 spoons of rasam powder. Adjust the consistency by adding water to it. Rasam is ready. It is commonly served with plain rice but can also be enjoyed as a soup. It's an excellent recovery food. It's good to have when you have cold or stomach problems. It's soothing to the tummy and helps in digestion. It's good to introduce it to babies as they love its tangy flavor.